Lasagna gardening, also known as sheet mulching or no-dig gardening, is a method of creating new garden beds by layering organic materials directly on top of the soil. This approach mimics the natural decomposition process that occurs on forest floors, where layers of organic matter gradually break down over time to create nutrient-rich soil. Here's how lasagna gardening works and how layering benefits soil structure. Layering organic materials. To create a lasagna garden, begin by layering various organic materials in alternating layers. Common materials used in lasagna gardening include cardboard or newspaper. Place a layer of cardboard or several layers of newspaper on the ground to smother existing vegetation and prevent weeds from growing up through the new garden bed. Brown materials. Add layers of carbon-rich brown materials such as straw, dried leaves, shredded cardboard, or wood chips. These materials provide structure to the bed and help create air pockets for aeration. Green materials. Add layers of nitrogen-rich green materials such as grass clippings, kitchen scraps, coffee grounds, or fresh plant trimmings. These materials provide nutrients for soil organisms and help speed up the decomposition process. Compost or soil. Incorporate a layer of finished compost or soil between the brown and green layers to introduce beneficial microorganisms and provide a source of nutrients for plants. Benefits of layering. Layering organic materials in a lasagna garden offers several benefits for soil structure and fertility. Soil building. As the organic materials break down, they gradually decompose and enrich the soil with nutrients, organic matter, and beneficial microorganisms. This improves soil structure, texture, and fertility over time. Weed suppression. The initial layer of cardboard or newspaper effectively blocks sunlight and prevents weeds from germinating and growing in the new garden bed. This reduces the need for manual weeding and helps maintain a weed-free garden. Retention of moisture. The layers of organic matter act like a sponge, absorbing and retaining moisture in the soil. This helps to reduce water evaporation and maintain consistent soil moisture levels, especially during hot and dry periods. Aeration and drainage. The alternating layers of brown and green materials create a loose and airy soil structure with plenty of spaces for air and water to penetrate. This promotes good drainage and aeration, which are essential for healthy root growth and plant development. Soil protection. The thick layer of organic mulch on the surface of the soil acts as a protective barrier, shielding the soil from erosion, compaction, and temperature extremes. This helps to maintain soil health and stability in the garden bed. Overall, lasagna gardening is a simple and sustainable approach to creating new garden beds that improves soil structure, enhances fertility, and reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. By layering organic materials, gardeners can build healthy, productive soil and grow thriving plants without the need for extensive digging or tilling.